Welcome to the SQL Query Coach. In our previous video, we learned what SQL is and how it works with the databases. Today, we are setting up our SQL environment, so you can start writing and testing your own SQL commands right from your computer. There are many database systems that use SQL. MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server, and others. But for this course, we use MySQL Community Edition because it is free, fast, and perfect for beginners. Along with that, we install MySQL Workbench, a visual tool that makes it easier to create databases, tables, and run queries without typing commands in the terminal. Now, you go to your browser and search MySQL Community Server download. You see the official MySQL website from Oracle. Click it. Then choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Download the installer and open it. Follow the prompts until you see the option to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. During setup, you'll be asked to set a password for your root user. This password is very important because it's what you use to log in later. Once the installation is done, open MySQL Workbench. You'll see a connection panel. Click the plus icon to create a new connection. Give it a name like SQL Database and enter your root password. Test the connection. If it says successfully connected, then you're ready to go. Inside the Workbench, click on the SQL editor and you'll get a blank space to start writing your queries. In the next video, we'll use this editor to create our first database and tables. Congratulations, you've just set up your SQL environment. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video, where we'll create our first database using a school system example. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.